YouTube. In this video, we're going to go over how to operate the headlights for the 2016 Ford F-150. And like always, if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and a subscribe. That way you can help us get to our subscriber goal of 1,000 subscribers. All right, now let's get into it. As you can see right here, this knob right here operates the headlights. So right now, I just turned it to the off position all the way on the left. Now you go over one, that's the parking lights. And one more, that's the headlights. That turns the headlights on. And as you can see, on the instrument panel on the left side, it has an icon that shows you that it's on. Now, this right here is the fog lights. You hit that, that turn on your fog lights. And on the right side, you'll get an icon for that. Now I'm gonna turn it off, and you see it went away. And this right here is a feature that automatically senses whether or not your headlights need to come on and off, and it does it for you. That's usually where I'm at with it. I usually use this one. Now, to operate your high beams, you'll use this knob right here, and all you're going to do is move it up forward, and you see it's on. That's your icon for your high beams, and it's actually labeled right there. Turn it off, you do it again, and it's off. So that's how you operate the headlights on the 2016 Ford F-150. And if you found this helpful, make sure you leave a like and take care.